Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will cover building data structure in Python. So we have seen Python simple types, integer, float, complex, boolean, string like this. So in this video, we will cover built-in data structure. So there are different type of built-in data structure in Python. So first is list, second tuple, third is dictionary, and set. So first list. If you want to declare any list, we can use like this. Then if you want to find length of list, we can use length of L. If you want to append any element, we can use L dot append. If you want to concat other list, we can use sign plus and append element. Then if you want to sort that list, we can use L dot sort, and here like we can use list of list element. Then here is slashing. If you want to find first element, if we can use L of 0, then second element L of 1. If you want to find last element, we can use -1. So we got 11 here. Then second last element, here we can slice the list element like first to third. So 2 3 5. Here also use like this. Here different type of slicing method. I will provide this to Python notebook, you can practice. So we can also assign 100, modify first element like this. We can also slice modification. Next is tuple. So tuple is defined like this. We can also tuple define like element comma separated. We can find length of tuple like list of tuple, list of element using len method. Then we can also use same indexing like list, but we cannot modify tuple because tuple is immutable. So we cannot modify first element. We can also not append new element because I have already said tuple is immutable, so we cannot modify. Here different methods to create tuples like unpacking. Next is dictionary. Dictionary is a set of elements using key value pairs like one caret letter is a key and one integer is a value. Like if you want to find value of this key, it will print 2. Then we can also add a new key value pair. Then is set define unique value element. So we have here two set, prime and odd. So we can use different operation in set like union to collect all element uniquely. Then is intersection, which uh, are common in both set. Third is difference, which uh, enter element in first but not in second. And fourth is which appears only one set. So like this we have covered different type of data built-in data structure in Python. So if you want to learn more about this built-in data structure, you can also follow Python online documentation from here link. So I will provide this you Python notebook, so you can download and practice in local computer, and also you can use Colab for this Jupyter notebook run. So thanks for watching. I will see you next video.